Are you looking for ways to make more money? What if you can earn just by eating at a local restaurant or going into a store? This is Craig from Clark.com. I'm going to share my experience with you as a Market Force secret shopper. Market Force is hired by companies to ensure quality control, and they send out you, the mystery shopper, to report back about your customer experience. Here's how to make money with Market Force. Step 1. Create an account. First, you have to sign up for Market Force. When you do this, you sign a contract as an independent contractor with the company. They also require that you give them some personal information, including your social security number and bank information. Market Force requires this information in order to pay you for any task you complete, just like a regular job. Step 2. Find your offer and determine the price. So how do you complete these tasks and get paid? You'll get a map of activities in your area. Just scroll through and choose one to get started. The tasks you do could range from confirming operating hours over the phone to sitting down in a restaurant to eat a meal. The payout is not the same for each activity. Simpler tasks like calling a business paid me $3, but I earned $12 from a sit-down meal. All the expenses from your secret shopping trip will be reimbursed, including any parking or toll charges. You can also negotiate the price you'd like to be paid for a shopping experience by selecting a listed business and clicking Make an Offer. Then input how much you'd like to be paid, and if Market Force agrees, then you'll be paid your desired price. Step 3. Complete the offer. After you've selected an offer, it's time to go do it to earn your cash. One big thing that you need to know is that you can be disqualified from an activity if you don't complete it correctly. Often there will be a specific time window for you to do your mystery shopping, and if you complete it outside of that time slot, you won't get paid or reimbursed for any expenses. You also need to report your experience no more than 8 hours after you've left the business. Otherwise, you're on the hook without reimbursement. Step 4. Get paid. You might be wondering, how often will I get a payday from doing these activities? Market Force will deposit the money you earned in the previous month to your account, so keep in mind that if you secret shop at the beginning of a month, you won't see that money for about 45 days. My biggest monthly paycheck was $42 from going to 4 shops. Overall, Market Force is a great way to pad your wallet with some extra cash while going about your daily life. What do you do to earn more money? Let us know about your side hustle in the comments, and watch our other videos to learn more about your money.